are no rules to this game of crypto. There are only winners and there are losers. On the other hand, follow these influencers and KOLs to buy any coin that they shill while the influencer is selling on top of their heads for you to only be left worthless tokens that they sold. Generate around 14 wallets, and we're going to do bundled wallets here in different wallets. Now I would recommend, depending on how much Solana you have, you do that many wallets around 1 Sol per wallet, so 18.7. And now let's actually fund these bundled wallets. So what we're going to do here is head over to wallet. We're going to distribute Sol to wallets. Make sure you select wallets and do the bundle. It doesn't really matter, but you want to keep a slight range. So priority feed, I would go through the whole process of doing that, but that could be a whole video of in and of itself. I recommend you guys do AI tokens, make some sort of fake AI. AI has been going absolutely crazy recently. So after you have the name and the ticker, make sure you set the bundled launch type to delayed bundler. So what you do is click prepare. Volume is looking pretty dead right now.